now. And hello, my name's Fox, so again I'm Fox, and welcome to Deadbolt, a game I saw Jacksepticeye play the demo, and then I seen him play a little bit of the game himself on his channel. And basically, you play as a Grim Reaper coming to reap souls, and it's kind of a strategy type game, and it looks fun, and I wanted to definitely play it. Another night. I didn't see him play all of it, so yeah. Okay, WASD. And basically the whole point is to basically clear out the guys by picking up multiple weapons, and you can go stealthy and all that shtick. But anyways. Okay, how do I pick this up? E for knife. Alright, sweet. I got this. And how do I throw? Can I throw these? Oh. And he's dead. And I can also hide. And we're just gonna go ahead and murder a whole bunch of people. There's a way to knock on the door. There. Oh, fudge! Oh, fudge! I stabbed him! He went back in! Okay, what the f... Oh, right. Oh, right, I can go inside the toilet. Oh, no, that's not good. How do I get out? I need to get out! Okay, good. Oh, fudge! Oh, fudge! Oh, fudge, I don't have a gun or anything! God, I need a gun! Okay. 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 Come on! Okay, 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 okay. What the? Wait, this is aim, and then... Okay. Okay, I got you. I got you now. I got your picture. I know your number. I know who you are. I'll find you and kill your family. No, I won't. Excuse me, sir. Cookies! Okay. Hey there. Then I go into here. Yep. Come on. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Stupids. Okay, good. 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 Gosh! Dang, get over here. Okay, come on. Come on! Come on, mother fluffer! There you go, now you're dead. Blow your brains all over the walls! So now, basically, I think there's one more tutorial after this. And then we get into the story. But the game looked cool, and I love things about Grim Reapers. So, okay, this is supposed to teach me about teleporting. Or, not really teleporting, but whatever. Alright. I need to get quicker on the pickup on those. Okay. Okay. Come on! Come on! Oh, I wasted too many bullets on that. Okay. Where does this lead me? Where am I going for this? Okay. Okay, drop! Also, I know there's like, you getting souls and stuff, and then you basically get able to buy things. And I want to buy the whoa. What? Space. Oh, the switch. Okay. Let me turn off the light. Where does this lead? Okay. I won't do that yet. Oh, fudge me! And that's how you kill a whole bunch of people. Not nicely. Well, not nicely. Well, I'm not gonna kill them softly. Funny. No, it's not. But that's how you kill some people. The most sloppiest way you could possibly imagine. It took me 4 minutes to get through that. Accuracy 93. Not bad. I got 4.5. I think 10 souls gained. All right, sweet. I am the Grim Reaper, and I will consume your soul. Oh, finally, you're back. And then, like, here's who I talk to. Switch lights on and off. I think that's a candle. Oh, that is a candle. That's a moving, talking candle. And I talk here, and then I talk with the devil. Because I think that's what the fire is supposed to be. I don't know. The flames roll to life as his voice speaks out. Another soul, well returned. Okay, sweet. And I don't think... Okay. So here we go. First mission. Noisy neighbors. We're gonna do this. Zombie kings. I'll show you the zombie king, his motherfucker. How do I have a gun with me? Yes, I do. Okay. So I'm going to enter in through here. Okay. Yeah, it's probably not the best thing to do, so I'm gonna try to be as stealthy as I can. Hello, toilet man! Help! Oh, fudge! Please, please, come by. Please. That was a waste of bullets. Oh my gosh, I am screwed! Okay, how the fudge am I gonna get... Oh, wait. Oh, wait, what am I doing? I can do this. Okay, just go down here and exit. Okay, E. Pick this up. Ah! Gosh dang it. Excuse me, senor. The toilet was backed up again. Nope, nope, die. Oh. Wait. Wait, did I turn to smoke after I lit a lighter? That's actually kind of cool. I'm sorry, sir. Were you trying to kill me? Yeah, I don't really do that. I don't really die. I'm kind of the Grim Reaper. Okay. Oh, fudge! Okay. You know I'm here. Okay, they're heading up. They're heading up, up. You can't bring the dead back. Oh, I see. Oh, look, there's a candle right there. That's actually kind of cool. Oh, fudge. I'm an idiot. Oh, I can punch? Probably should have known that. Okay. And then zoop, 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 zoop. I love stealth games. Okay, and... Oh, fudge. I'm sorry, sir. Dude, do you hear that? It's your death. I never noticed that this candle guy was there. Maybe, so these are the candle guys that are the spies for the whatever. Alright, that's actually kind of cool. I didn't notice that. Also, I wonder if there is a bigger story other than me just being the Grim Reaper killing those guys. Which, honestly, that's just cool enough. I like the car, too. Clear the first mission. Great! Deaths 1. Kills 8. 1, 2, 3. Wait, does that mean I only got 2 stars? Accuracy 7. Yeah, I think that means I only got 2 stars. Fudge. Oh well, I'm not doing this for a score. It's not right now. Turn you on. Or off, I guess. The flames roll to life. The mission undead begin to crop strange powders from below. Incite the flame, ejects their brains, and see what contains. You like to rhyme, don't you, bud? Powders. A new drug called ash. His candles say that it makes you feel like you're alive again. The flames, my employer, want to know more. Okay, intel. There's a bouncer on the far side of the house. I can kill him to get his weapon. Okay. Large zombies with shotguns. Take a few shots to the head. Bring them down. All right. I got this. We're gonna kill him. I can take him. And kill the undead. I'm sorry, were you trying to kill me, sir? You look straight up dead. Fudge me. Wait, can I think? Okay, well, damn it. Ah! Fudge! Okay, so I just need to open the door. Where does this lead me? Okay, this leads me down here. I'm sorry, sir. Actually, no, I'm not. Okay, so I'm gonna need this. Get some powder. Feel good. Feel excellent. I feel energized. I feel like the Energizer Bunny. Really? No. No, I don't. Okay. So what do I have here? Do I still have the hammer? No, I don't. Okay. Off with your head. Excuse me, sir. Cookies! Oh, fuck! Okay, I'm good. I should be good. I should be definitely good. Just come on. Come on. I am wasting so many bullets. Oh, I'm not going to be able to take this guy. Okay, I can do this. I can do this. If I go the other way and come back the way I came. Because, oh my lord, I'm going to die. Wait, I wonder if there's another candle around here. I like this guy's body just like... Ah! No! Oh, fudge! Oh, fuck, what do I do? I don't have anything! Ah! The fudge? That was kind of cool. I'm gonna head back through the toilet, or this. Wait, why does this connect it? No, never mind, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna head back through here, zoom in around this way. That way I can then take this guy out. Oh, fudge. Crap, I only have 2 shots. Ah, dang it. Alright, 3 shots. 3 shots, I can do this. I can do this. I have 1 shot left. I can do this. Bad Deadpool. Good Deadpool. Bad Deadbolt. Good Deadbolt. Oh! Alright. Good, excellent. I know my accuracy is probably terrible because I fire like crazy. But I should be... Wait, why does the house lead... Never mind. I'm wondering why the toilet leads... I don't know. New high. 3 deaths, 10 kills, 78% accuracy. Yeah! 3 stars! If you aim low, you're never disappointed. Don't... No, I'm kidding. Ooh, what'd you give me? Zombie number 1? You open the tape deck? You wake up. I wake up. Cold water docks again. Splinters in my hand. Where am I? Roland's here. He helps. He says we leave. He says we don't have to come back to the docks again. He gives me a hit. Good hit. I feel it in my tongue, my throat, my hands, my feet, my ears. I don't know how that works, but okay. I wake up. How much time? Thumping in my ears. Music. I look down. The splinters in my hand. Roland's gone. I die again. I overdose again. Oh, because you're a zombie now. I wake up. Hands wet. Feet wet. Docks again. I'm in a living room. I need more ash. Roland. I hear the music again. I hear yelling. The room fills up with the cold water. I splinter and yell all over. Dose again. I wake up, knocking at the door. Roland? Okay. I don't know what that meant. Does that mean like if you keep taking ash, you're gonna constantly keep dying, technically? The flames rose to life, and I see visions inside. We're going in. Okay. Less zombies, more weapons. And zombie dude's there. He has that thing. The vents lead up to there, so just okay. This is gonna take a while. Wait, no, I want that. Revolver's not gonna do me nothing. Burn that. Okay. Okay, good. Okay. What? How does that make more noise? How does that make any sense? Rock! Oh, come the fluff on. Really? Really? Ah! Oh. Bought a better gun. I think that's what's effing me up a little bit, because I still have my starter gun. You gotta aim for a little bit like their hat. Because I guess how aiming works in this, you gotta aim for a little bit above to hit their head. Okay. Oh, dang it. Wait, I'd rather burn this stuff. Okay. Burn. Alright. Now we're gonna go through here. Gotta take my frickin' time. You think that would be quieter? You think like that would be like one of the ways they would want you to do it because that's so dang quiet. Because it should be quiet. Okay, you guys are gonna stay there for some freaking stupid reason. You, I'm gonna blow the fudge away if you come over here. Come on, you gonna come over here or not? I will effing murder you. Seriously, the other guy's coming? What, did they back up? Oh my gosh, I'm stuck. No, I'm not. Just make sure I land up this way. Are you? Oh, because I didn't aim! Fuck! Okay, fine, whatever. I'm gonna turn that off. Go here. Aim for above the head. Okay, switch to this. Go here. There we go. Take him out. Oh wait, fudge! I should grab the other gun. Yeah, I'll grab the other gun. Grab this. Burn here. Burn here. Okay, now I'm kind of doing a little better. Okay, where does this lead? This leads to that one. Nope, not taking that chance. But I am taking you out. Okay, good. Can I like reload again? Okay, you're just a dead gun. Okay, now I'm actually kind of getting it done. Mind you, my score is gonna be like crap, like 1, but I'm still getting this done now, finally. And it's even not that hard. It's just I was rushing it, and pop, pop. No offense, dude. You kind of deserve to die there. No, no, it's not done. There's still a whole bunch of people alive. Don't you lie to me, game. Okay. Fudge that. Not saying fudge me killing them, but I mean fudge me doing that with this gun because I have no ammo in this. Pick up a revolver. You only have 1 shot. You have your revolver. I mean, you're a knife. Okay. If I can knife you! Wait, no, I need to go grab my other gun. If I can grab the other gun and shoot this guy in the face, then I'll pop up behind these idiots. Oh wait, I just grab this knife. No. There we go. Wait, gosh dang, no, I want the knife. There we go. Alright, yeah, that way I can use the knife, I'll kill this guy real quick, and then I can do 2 shotguns, one to this dude's back of the head, and then another one. Yeah, and it should be quick. Okay, so I'm just gonna... Okay. You know what? I don't want to waste it. I don't want to risk it, so I'm gonna grab my other gun. I am so... Oh, I'm gonna be editing this, so what am I... you guys won't see me running back and forth all this, but I'm gonna grab my other gun, sawn off so I can shoot this guy in the motherfucking head, and then I'm gonna get the heck out of here. Where does this go, actually? Okay. There we go. Just so I could. And I think I get more souls out of it, I think. I'm not sure. But I know there's no shotgun's like a 1-hit kill. There we go. Done. Let's see. 20 minutes. Yup, 15 minutes. Wow. Really? 3 stars? Surprising. Okay, let me do one more mission, and then I'll call it end for this episode. This is actually a really fun game. I'm probably not saying that much. I only got 10 souls out of that. Dang. The flames roar to life in your vision of a man. See visions of a man. Puff. Mission. No moment to flee. You should not be here. A man with a heart cannot live with me. The candles tell me that Puff keeps an old machine gun in his basement. Something he stole from Trideds. I am sure it still works. Puff. Shadows cast along the walls, and the flame shows me silhouettes of the Puff's death. This is the first time my employer has given me specific targets. I succumb to the thrill. I'm not here, don't worry about it. Okay. Whoa! Are you serious right now? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Kill Puff. Oh yeah. Oh! Oh fudge. Thank you, sir. And come on, come on. Oh, Puff's coming. Don't come, Puff. Not yet. Not yet. You know what? Screw it. Hey there, Puffy. Ooh, what are you? Oh, you're just a pistol. At least you're shiny. What do you do? Can I take you? Cover, check drawers. Okay. The desk is filling cabinet. Maybe there's useful information here. Okay. I pull open the filing cabinet. There's 2 separate tabs. Stuff. Holy crud. Tabs full of loose papers. You open a drawer inside, pamphlet, embossed coin. Basic wait, an embossed coin? Count, useless. A letter of Puff's frustration, useless. Drawn picture of a naked vampire. Paper labeled important people. Oh crap, are these guys still moving around? Important people, their address scribbled around the top. Must address the zombie's house. Okay, extinguished, scribbles, useless. Okay. Can I check for, right, is that it? Okay. Okay, I got a sawed off still at least. That's good. Alright. Actually, wait, what's up here? Is this another shotgun? But I think shotguns are like almost one-hit kills always. Yeah, it is. Okay. Okay, come on. Ah! What? Knock, knock. Ah! Oh. Puff, puff, mother fluffer. Oh, did I kill all the big guys yet? Oh, come on! Come on! Oh, come on, mother fluffer. I'm gonna light you up like Christmas. Come on! And I'm taking your gun. Just so I can be a jerk. I get too cocky. I think that's my problem. 9 deaths. 30% headshot. 81 kills. 4 stars. Great. Souls gained 10. Alright. I'm gonna talk to Flame and we're gonna end it here. Is there a save feature actually? I'm not sure. The flames roll to life with more vigor than usual. My employer is happy with success. Hellhounds from beneath, bred by the undead, go stop the weeping and gnashing of teeth. Hellhounds are 3-headed dogs with amazing sense of hearing, but they can't open doors. I'll use that to my advantage. Alright. How do I save? Okay, I'm gonna end this episode here. I have 90 souls, but I don't want to use up any of my money because I want to get the scythe. Any new cassettes? Actually? No. Okay. So we're ending this episode here. Thank you all so much for watching. If you want to check my videos that I've done, please click the link in the description below. Please check out all my videos. If you like this show, tell me. It is a fun game. I like it. Definitely check it out for yourselves. I think it's only like about $10. But either way, thank you all so much for watching. Please check out all my videos. Very, very fun game. I think it's actually less than that, but it's fun. It has good stealth. Your play is a freaking Grim Reaper, which I like. I definitely want to keep playing. I'll probably play it till I finish it. But either way, thank you all so much for watching. Please check out all my videos, and we will see you later. Oh.